Hey guys, welcome to Low Boost Entertainment. My name is Ricardo, and today I want to give you guys a quick update on my E92 335 BMW. The last time you saw this car, I was getting the car, and so far the car weighs 3,180 pounds, and so far the car feels pretty light. The car was originally 3,600 pounds, and now it's 3,180. So with me in the car, hopefully it's around 3,400 or less. So let me tell you some of the upgrades I have. So I got new wheels, so I'm putting on some 18-inch wheels with 265s. Right now this is 17s with 255. So we have a new M bumper, splitter, and some additional cooling system. I think I'm going to put one more oil cooler in this car. I'm not sure yet. In the back I bought some adjustable rear control arms, so we're going to put that back there. Hopefully we can get more camber on the back. Alright guys, let me show you inside of the car. It's pretty gutted. So we have a 4-point cage coming in for this car. Side panels, side door panels. We have some door cards we need to put on here because this looks tacky right now, so it's gonna look pretty when we finish. I'm keeping the front carpet because I like comfort, so until I fully cage this car, we're gonna keep the front carpet. Both door cards will be changed. We're gonna try to pretty up the back here because it's very noisy in the car, as you can tell from the video. I also changed also get rid of the sunroof. We have a fiberglass cover, so we fill the hole for that. That took away 40 pounds. So the car is pretty light. So we have a lot of things left to do to the car. A lot of work, but it's coming together. I'm hoping to get this car to Road Atlanta. As far as the engine goes, we're still leaving it stock. We're not doing anything fancy to this engine. We're just gonna leave it how it is. The oil cooler right here, the thermostat, delete. It's pretty good. But I'm thinking I'm gonna install one more oil cooler, but depends on how it goes when I go to the track. If I go to the track and the temps keep under 250, then I won't put an extra cooler. But if not, if it goes over 250, I'm gonna put an extra cooler. But yeah guys, this is it guys. It's pretty bone stock right now. Once I'm finished with it, it's not gonna look the same. So we have a couple of videos coming up, and me doing a tutorial on how to change some stuff. Also I got sway bar. Got sway bar for the front and back, so we have to do that as well. So hopefully we can join the 2026 time trials this year. So anyway guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And also guys, if you like the POV videos, let me know. I will keep doing POVs. I'm gonna try to do POVs up with all my cars, because we need to start enjoying our cars guys. We can't just have them and just park in the garage. Anyway guys, talk to you guys later.